welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be unboxing the Boya's BY-M1 Lavalier microphone. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. So this is the mic which I bought recently for our channel. Let's see what's outside the box. On the front we have the brand and the model of the mic, and we also have the picture of the mic. On the back there are some key features of the mic. Let's unbox it. First we have a carrying case. Next we have a user manual. And lastly we have a warranty card. Now let's see what's inside this carrying case. We have the microphone. In this package we have a clip, a foam windshield, a adapter and a battery. Now let's insert the foam shield and the clip. Now let's go to the audio test. The audio which you are hearing now is recorded in my phone, and the audio now you guys are hearing is recorded in the mic. I don't know how the quality is. Say down in the comments below. After using the mic, we can put this in the carrying case and we can carry it around. Guys, that was my review for this Boya Lavalier microphone. See you guys in my next video. Till then, stay tuned.